Hey everybody! I'm here today to hopefully not make an intro that is that long ever again. Sometimes, I film a lot of videos in a day and I have to have some fun with it, okay? So anyways, with that being put aside, that long intro put aside, I'm going to continue with the actual video. We'll try that one more time. I'll make the intro nice and short, okay? I'll try that one more time just for fun, okay? Because I'm not going to redo this video. So we'll try that again. Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fold up a laundry drying rack. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, this is a laundry drying rack, and I'm going to show you how to fold it up. This is the laundry drying rack that my wife and I have used for I think almost 10 years, to be honest with you. It's fantastic, and I'm going to show you how to fold it up. So give me a moment, I'm going to flip my screen. There we go. You can see exactly what you all are seeing. And we're going to fold this up. Okay, so it's been a while since I folded it up, so we just leave it opened up, to be honest with you. So bear with me, but I do remember to the best of my knowledge how to do it really quickly and easily. So your drying rack might be a little bit different, but it's probably going to fold up in a very similar way, okay? Let me make sure I'm looking okay here, because I've been behind the camera for all the videos I filmed so far. But yeah, I look pretty good. I'm good enough to go, okay? Anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to look for some levers or handles to loosen up the system in general, okay, to loosen up the actual rack system. So, and they usually turn in different ways. So this one, I'm turning this one this way, okay, and I'm turning this one that way. So I'm turning them in opposite ways, and I'm keeping a visual notice right now of when I've unlocked this top little rack portion over here, okay? So I can see on this side, closest to me, the top rack portion is unlocked, and now it is also unlocked on that side too. The first step is we're going to fold down the upper portion, which usually houses like hangers and stuff like that. And to be honest with you, we usually leave this folded down because it doesn't fit under here if there's a bulkhead right above my head. So it doesn't fit under here if that's up. So we usually leave it folded down, okay? Now the next thing is you're going to remove the holders, the support system from over here. So these right here are supporting this part of the rack. So I'm going to remove that, and this can now fold down. Same thing with the other side, okay? I'm going to remove the support system like that, and this can fold down. And then essentially all I got to do, I'll give you a better view, is over here, this folds in half. So I'm just going to pull this up like this. There we go, almost caught my finger. Almost caught my finger there, not cut it, but almost caught it. And that's it, you can now, here you go, walk away. It's literally that simple. That is how to fold up a laundry drying rack. Honestly, it's really easy to do, and it's good because then you can dry your clothes. And if you don't have a lot of, I'm fortunate enough that my laundry was really big. I got lots of space in here to do whatever I want, cartwheels and stuff. But in our old house, it wasn't nearly as big. So we would leave it open, but sometimes we'd have to fold it up and put it to the side because there wasn't as much room. So you can use it to dry your clothes and then fold it up and put it to the side. And that's essentially it. That is how to fold up a laundry drying rack. Super easy tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like this instructional video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.